How to sell at the high price. Today, I'm going to give you example on Tesla and AMD, how to sell at the high price. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you want to make more money from trading. So before I start, I have to do a disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. You have to, this is just for education purpose. So let's start with the Tesla. This is our weekly chart. I've updated many times for the Tesla. So let's look at what's going on right now. Should we sell or should we buy? How to sell at the peak, like here or here, okay? So it's very easy. So first, how to read the trend. We are in the red zone. So red zone means this is a strong trend. This is our weekly chart. So it's a long-term investor indicator, okay? So second, we can check also the trend line. Basically, we bounce, this trend line is a resistance. When the price under this line, this is a resistance. And when it's almost touching it, it bounce back, okay? And it match with other time resistance as well. So my prediction is around 310, around 304, something like that. And basically, the peak is 299.29, okay? So how to tell this is the peak, like how to, if you don't know how to predict the peak, you can read from the chart. The indicator can tell us how to escape from the peak. So this is RSI 14. So basically every time when we have an overbought signal, so when it's over 70, it's overbought. When they come down, they drop below 70, or when they touch just 70 and they come back, it's very possible this is a peak. You see here, let's say here is a peak, and here is a peak. So of course you need to learn how to buy back as well, because otherwise you sold and then you don't buy back, you have another peak here, okay? So basically this is if you can use this indicator to sell the stock, but so far we are still in the red trend, we are still in the strong trend. So this is our weekly chart. You can already tell when to sell, when to buy. So how about the daily chart? Daily chart, sometimes they will have more fall signal. For example, here, they go up, they come back, they go up, they come back. So basically, if you sell at the first, when they drop below 70, you miss the whole thing. You will sell the stock at 175. Okay, so maybe you need to use the weekly chart to help you to tell how to sell the stock as well. But right now, I want to give you a warning here, because right now we have a green zone happened 3 days ago, okay? So this one will be our selling points, okay? With my strategy, this one would be our selling point for short-term investor, okay? And so now the RSI going below 50, so basically we are in the rich trend, but still it's okay, because I told you every time when we go higher, we need to have a rest, and then for it to jump higher. Okay, so I want to show you many times. I show you this golden ratio from the high price, draw a price to the low price to see how much they rebound. Basically, they rebound up to 61.8%, and now they're going around 50% here for the, you see here? So this one would be our support, okay? So let's see how it goes. So this is the golden ratio. Basically, when we are over 61.8%, basically is a very good trend to tell us this one change to be a strong market. They will confirm to have another high, okay? So basically now it's going back to rest. It's possible they go back to the red area as well. So it's possible they go back to the red area here, okay? And let's see how it goes for Tesla. And the next one I want to show you is AMD. How to escape from the peak. Let's see if we can do it with the RSI strategy. So the first peak is here. You can sell at this candle. Okay, so basically you're selling at the peak. And this one, you're selling this candle or this candle. Okay, so they have two things here. Okay, basically it's a divergence here. So what is divergence is the RSI going lower, but the price going higher. So it points a divergence, and divergence, it means the moment the price going up, but the momentum is going down. So it's possible they will have a trend reverse. Okay, so now we have a trend reverse, and so we are still in the red zone for the weekly chart, and it's the red zone serve as a support so far, and let's see how it goes. And how about our the daily chart? Sorry. The daily chart is okay. So if you use daily chart, basically you have few selling point. For example, here when they touch 70, the RSI is selling here. When they touch 70, it's sell here. When they touch 70, it's sell here. But again, it depends on your type of trader. Okay, this is for short-term trader. For long-term trader, you don't use this because you will buy a lot, sell a lot. And sometimes when you sell the stock, you sold the stock and you don't have a buying point again. Okay, you need to use my strategy to buy the stock again. Okay, so how about right now? I want to give you a good news about AMD. So AMD, let me see. Okay, AMD, what's going on right now is we are still in the green zone, okay? But the green zone is very narrow, so still okay. And we just need to wait until the red zone happen, okay? Good news is 2 days ago, the red bar is over the purple line, but we still don't have a buying signal. With our strategy, we need two things happen. Red zone and the red bar over this purple signal. So we still don't have a buying signal with this strategy. Previously, if you bought this stock around this area, basically this area, you can use 107.2 as a cut loss price. Okay, so if they go lower, you can cut off. But so far, we're still making a small profit. Today is 111.79. Okay, so if you want to buy this stock, you need to wait for two signals, the red zone and the red bar over purple. Okay, and this is so easy. The next one I want to show you is my own indicator. What's going on now? Tesla, back to Tesla. Tesla, with my indicator first, we are under this blue line. So for some very aggressive investor, if you want to make every single penny, you will sell around this because first they drop below the blue and this go below the purple line. Okay, but also look at this gap. This gap. Okay, this gap would be served as a resistance. So you will battle to get up above this zone. It will take some time for it to get back to this zone. So we need to wait when this candle go above this blue and the blue go upward again. Now it's going flat. Okay, so we don't have any buying action this moment. We just need to wait for the buying signal. Okay, don't tell me, oh, it's dropping to 250 now, is a good price to buy. Yeah, but we need to have a buying signal, because without the buying signal, what happens is, let's say you buy low, right? You don't know if you can still go lower, or it will still go take some time to struggle at the base, to build the base, to build the structure before they go up. So with the indicator, you can save the time. You buy when they go above this signal. This is the easiest buying strategy ever. Okay. Of course, I will in the next class. In the next video, I will give you another tips how to buy the stock without using my indicator, and you will buy at the bottom as well. So this is the Tesla, and another one is, okay, back to AMD. The AMD is here. So be careful, our curve is going down this moment. And basically the stock is going to struggle to battle to go above this AMD, okay? Even we have two candles above this, but still we are not yet above here. So we need to wait to come above here and the bar go above the red bar. Okay, but the good thing is this red bar is over 50, so it look really good. So let's see how it goes. So every time it go up, they will go down and then take some time to go up again. So it's normal for every single bull market. It always needs some adjustment, always needs some pullback. What I want to remind you is I have made maybe 2 or 3 videos about August and September is one of the small peak for the market. So just need to be careful because you don't know how much they will pull back, right? So if you want to earn single penny, single dollar, every single dollar, okay? So you need to be careful. Don't be too aggressive, especially in September, okay? At least beginning of September. So my prediction would be from middle of August to September would be one peak, okay? It's possible in September. So let's see. But I don't want you guys to make margin call, or and I'm not here to tell you to short the stock as well, because still we are in the strong bull market for USA market. Okay. So just need to be careful. Don't be so aggressive to buy stock. If you want to make more money, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And join my course or join my subscription for the indicator. It's by month. If you don't like my indicator, if you find you don't make money, you can unsubscribe it. But I make a lot of money with this indicator, okay? So I want you to make a lot of money as well. So I see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.